will learn about hormonal coordination. First we will learn about plant hormones and then we will learn about human hormones. Now we will learn about plant hormones. See, generally plant hormones are also called as phytohormones or growth regulators. Why plant hormones are called growth regulators? Because these hormones are used in only growth regulation. That's why these plant hormones are called as photohormones or growth regulators. In photohormones or growth regulators, there are two types. One is growth promoter and another one is growth inhibitor. In growth promoter, we will learn about auxin. Auxin is used in the cell elongation and auxin is light sensitive. It is light sensitive. And another one is gibberellins. Gibberellin stimulates the stem elongation and it expands the leaf. And third one, the last growth promoter is cytokinins. Cytokinins, what is the work of the cytokinins? Its work is to promote the rapid cell division. Where the rapid cell division is used in the seed. Suppose this is a seed. In the seed, cytokinin is present. That's why here rapid cell division becomes and the growth of the plants starts. Now we will see about growth inhibitors. In growth inhibitors, there are two. One is acetic acid and another one is ethylene. Acetic acid is used in the shedding of leaves. That means stopping the growth of the leaves or growth of the plant. And ethylene is used in the ripening of fruit or and in the opening of the flowers. And in the abscission. Abscission means shedding of leaves. See, these all are like growth stoppers or growth inhibitors. See, here there is a picture. Suppose we are doing one experiment. Suppose I am taking a well healthy plant and I am keeping it in a room and I am keeping it in a room where there is no light and the light should come only from the window, and you have to place that plant in the window. What happens? The plants start growing towards the light. Why it grows towards the light? In first I said you that oxygen is light sensitive, and if the light is coming from here, oxygen goes here because oxygen is light sensitive. When the oxygen comes here, more cell elongation becomes because oxygen's work is cell elongation. That's why there will be the rapid cell division becomes and the tree starts growing towards the light. This is the reason why tree starts growing towards the light. And now we will see again these functions. These are very important. Auxin, it is used in the cell elongation and it is light sensitive. Gibberellins, it stimulates the stem elongation and it expands the leaves. And cytokinins, which is also a growth promoter, it promotes our rapid cell division. Rapid cell division is used in the seed. And now growth inhibitors. In growth inhibitors there are two, acetic acid and ethylene. Acetic acid is used in wilting of leaves and ethylene is used in the ripening of fruit, the opening of flowers and the abscission or the shedding of. See, here there is a picture. This is gibberellin, auxin, cytokinins, ethylene, acetic acid. See, Gibberellin is used in the germination of seed. It is used in the growth to maturity, and it is also used in flowering, fruit development. And abscission and seed dormancy are growth stoppers. If abscission is vitamin or seed dormancy is vitamin, then it is one like growth stopping. Gibberellin is a growth promoter. That's why it is not used in the abscission and seed dormancy. What is seed dormancy? The rapid cell division in the seed takes place only when there is a favorable conditions. This here abscisic acid, which is released by phytohormones, stops this rapid cell division in the seed, and the seed will not grow. And auxin is not used in the seed germination, and it is used in the growth to maturity, flowering, fruit development. It is not used in the abscission because these all are growth stoppers. But auxin is a growth promoter, and it is also not used in the seed dormancy. Cytokinins is not used in the germination. It is not used in the germination, but it is used in the growth to maturity, flowering, fruit development. These three things it is used. In these three things, cytokinins is used. And in abscission also, the cytokinins is not used, and seed dormancy also. See, ethylene and abscisic acid. These are growth inhibitors or growth stoppers. Ethylene is not used in germination of seed because it is growth promoter. It is not growth promoter. It is growth inhibitor. See, here in flowering also ethylene is used because if the flower is growing, then ethylene stops the growing of flower and it opens the flower by which the growth of the flower stops. This is also like a growth stopper. And in fruit development, that means in ripening of the fruit, in the in the functions I showed you in my previous slide, in functions I showed you the functions of the ethylene, abscisic acid, or gibberellin, cytokinins. These all functions I showed. See, in abscission also it is used. That means shedding of leaves. And abscisic acid is not used in germination, and it is also not used in growth to maturity. It is not also used in flowering, and it is not used in fruit development. It is used in only abscission and seed dormancy. Abscisic acid is used in the abscission and seed dormancy. Now